If you're still watching Make Money Online videos like entertainment and not instructions, that's why nothing in your life has changed. Because all you're doing is consuming hope, not building income. And little do you know that hope doesn't pay bills. Problem is, in 2026 going forward, things like vibes, hopes, they will bankrupt you faster than bad decisions. Hi, I'm Miss Mwithati. I make videos about money, personal finance, survival, and building something solid when life keeps throwing bills at us. So if this or any of my other videos give you clarity, a strategy, or even one good idea, consider buying me a coffee. It keeps this channel alive and the work going. You can get the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Now, let's get into it. Every year that you don't build an income system online, you lose three things: time, money, and dignity. That's the price that you pay for staying the same. Time, because you keep starting over. Money, because things like inflation is not waiting for your confidence. And dignity, because begging algorithms for reach is extremely exhausting. I've paid the cost already. So that's to say, I'm not romanticizing it for you. You know, I used to think making money online was about finding the right idea. But I was so wrong. Because I came to learn it's about choosing a lane and staying in it long enough for money in that lane to recognize you. People online in 2026 are using these three parts that I'm going to tell you. You might find them boring, but boring works. That's what works for them. Path number one, you sell your skills and time. This is the fastest way to stop panicking. So if you already have skills, this can be something like organizing, writing, researching, posting, or managing chaos for other people. Freelancing, virtual assistants, social media management, transcription, stuff like that. You work, you get paid, simple. Not passive, not sexy, but it is effective. The mistake? People stop here and call it freedom. It's not freedom, it stabilizes. Necessary? Temporary. This is why I built the Money Magnet Accelerator, because most people start earning something and then in no time they lose it. No structure, no system, no plan. You see, the accelerator is not motivation. It is containment for you. It shows you how to turn skills into income streams or income systems so that money doesn't disappear the moment you get tired. So if you don't build containment early, you stay trapped in hustle forever. You can find it in the links below. Now, path number two, sell products. This is where leverage starts. Digital products, templates, ebooks, courses, print on demand. I love this. You work once, you sell repeatedly. That shift alone changes how you sleep. But marketing matters. Yes, it matters a lot. Otherwise, your products will never move. This is to say, yes, you'll start answering or responding to those emails that start with hi dear. According to me, it's still worth it. Because this is the only way you stop explaining your value to clients who thinks revisions are bonding. Now, path three, when you promote and recommend. This is something like affiliate income, content, or sponsorships. They are extremely slow at first, painfully quiet, but in due time, they become steady. Sad thing is, it only works if people trust you, which is why email beats trends every single time. Personally, I run my backend on Kit, and this is because platforms change. We've seen it. Algorithms keep changing. But you see, email, Email stays forever. Okay? Now that is infrastructure, not hype. So in case you're interested, my affiliate link is in the description below, especially if you're building something real like a business. Now, let's kill the myth. One thing I need you to understand is, with all the 3 parts, you will not get rich quickly. You also don't need to pay anyone, especially at T2, and lock work. No. So if someone promises you overnight success, my dear, just block them and go drink some water. Now, how do you start? Inventory yourself. Ask yourself questions, like, what can you do without pretending? Figure that out, then pick one lane, just one. Start small. One profile, one product, one post. And I say this because consistency beats talent every time. It is annoying, but it's true. And again, if your problem is starting, stopping, restarting, then spiraling, that's exactly what the Money Magnet Accelerator is built for. It's meant to fix that. It's the difference between income and random cash. No chaos, no guesswork, systems. Let me leave you with this. Making money online in 2026, moving forward, is not about ideas. It's about infrastructure. Services fund you, products scale you, and emails, they protect you. Everything else is just noise. So, tell me in the comment section, what are you actually good at? And I don't mean what sounds cool. I mean what is real. Okay? Let's talk about it. And if this video helped, buy me coffee, because nothing good comes for free. I'm Miss Maithathi, and I'll see you in my next video.